Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at the concept of basic trig limits. So when approaching a trig limit, you're going to probably start out by trying to use two trig limit identities. And one has to do with sine and the other one has to do with cosine. As long as the argument approaches 0 and is the same as the denominator, or if you're using this one, the argument still approaches 0 of the trig term, and the numerator is the same as the argument, and again the argument's approaching 0, then the limit will equal 1. Alright? So your goal will be to try to make this non-trig argument term the same as the trig argument term. So there's also one for cosine. In this case, the same principle applies, in which you should have the argument of the cosine be the same as the denominator, and if the argument approaches 0, then the whole thing will approach 0. So again, the goal will be to make the denominator look like your trig argument. So reiterating that concept, it's not make this the same as this, this the same as this, make this the same as this. Usually you're just going to multiply by something on top and bottom. Okay? Don't forget, if you multiply something on bottom, you also have to multiply it on top. So again, the goal is to make the same arguments here. Make sure this goes to 0. You'll see this more apparent whenever you look at some example videos and try some on your own. You'll see they're not as bad as you think. You might want to brush up on your trig identities, your Pythagorean identities, double angles, stuff like that, just so you can manipulate easily and get to this 1 minus cosine or the sine by itself. Just check out all the videos, be patient, and you'll see it's not as bad as you think if you put in the work. As always, practice, practice, practice. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.